I'm gonna do the 5-minute makeup challenge today. I've never done this. It's gonna be a little bit challenging because even when I do like quick makeup, even when I do like quick fast makeup, it usually takes me like about 20 minutes, even if it's just quick makeup. So this is gonna be a little bit challenging, but I got it. I'm gonna put a timer on my phone, and hopefully I can get this makeup done in like 5 minutes. And if I can't, then you already know I'm not a pro. So I don't know, I'm just gonna set all my products out on this little table that I have sitting in front of me, and that way it'll be easier. The only thing that does take me a long time are my eyebrows, but we'll figure it out. We'll see how it goes. Okay, all right, let's get started. By the way, do you guys like my new Adidas shirt? I like it. I got it for Christmas. All right, so I set my stuff down. I need to get turned before this video because I don't even know where this is going.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you.
Alright, so I'm gonna put the timer for like 5 minutes. You know, 5 minutes. Timer for 5 minutes. Oh my god, am I ready for this? Where's my primer? Where's my primer? Where is my primer? 1 second. Damn, I don't know where my primer is. That has me a little bit upset. Whatever, we're just gonna use this Badescu rose water then. Alright, ready? Ah, I'm not ready. What lipstick am I gonna use? Oh my god, I don't even have a lipstick to use. 1 second, you see? Okay, ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Start! Ah! Anyway, the thing that takes me the longest are my eyebrows, so I'm gonna leave them for last. Oh my god. Foundation, 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 foundation. I don't need much of this, so we're just gonna... Oh, that pimple. Just gonna work through this. I'm going over too fast. It's because my primer's a spray primer. Well, even the one that I was gonna use earlier is a spray primer, and it's just quick. It's like a quick whatever it's called, application, I guess. Oh, where am I? I don't know. All right. We got this. Oh, and by the way, I have eyelash extensions, so it's a little bit easier and quicker to do your makeup. Alright, let's not get fancy in this day. And my dog ate my freaking beauty blender, so I had to use brushes, and I'm not used to using brushes at all. Like, I'm used to my beauty blender or the sponge from Real Techniques, but you know, she ate both. She first ate my beauty blender, my expensive ass beauty blender, because you know that's not cheap. She ate it. And then setting powder. And then before my trip to New York, literally the day before my trip to New York, she ate my Real Techniques sponge, I guess. Oh my god, I look crazy. I gotta set this face though. Next is, I got 3 minutes. I got 3 minutes. I got this. Some bronzer. Some bronzer to look a little bit bronzed, you feel me? Oh my god, I look freaking crazy. I've never done my makeup this fast. Hopefully it works. Hopefully I look somewhat decent, you know? Alright, what else? Blush palette. Let's just use Oh my god. Is that fine? Yeah, that's fine. What else? What else? What else? Highlight. Highlight. I haven't even done my brows, and that's the thing that takes so long. Okay, okay. You know, you always gotta glow. Even if you're in a hurry, just freaking make sure you glow. Okay, and my eyebrows, and my eyebrows. Oh my god, I got 1 minute. Oh my god, I got 1 minute. This is quick. I've never done this so quick. Oh my god, this is gonna look horrible. What is wrong with me? This is, legit, I'm gonna look like those girls that it looks like it has like Sharpie in their freaking eyebrows. That's how I'm gonna look. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. Whatever, we good. We good. Oh my god, disgusting. Whatever, it's fine. Not a big deal. I didn't put my shadow, but let's just put a little bit of bronzer in my eye and see if it makes a difference. Oh my god, I'm gonna look crazy. Okay. Alright, how much time? How much time? 34 seconds! I got this. Oh my god, no. Fuck that. I'm gonna put stick. Crazy. By the way, this is Velvet Teddy from MAC. 11. Do I have time for mascara? 7, 5. If I zoom in to my face right now, this is disgusting. All right, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so you can see. What is this eyebrow? Then I got freaking mascara on my nose. At least I tried. At least I tried my best, you know. I've never done my makeup in legit 5 minutes. This has been the first time and the last time that I'm gonna be doing this. You know, I still got some action going on there, so I guess I did a decent job. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these type of videos, like challenges and stuff, please let me know. Comment down below what other challenge you want me to do. I'm interested and I'm down to do whatever, so let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.